Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when you meet new people in English? Do you think, what should I say first? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I will help you. Very easy, very simple. Welcome to Easy English Zone. I'm so happy you're here. This lesson is for beginners. If your English is basic, this video is perfect for you. You do not need strong English. You just need to listen and practice. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. You will learn what to say. You will learn how to say it slowly and clearly. You can use this English at school, at work, or online. Let's start. First, when you meet someone, you say hello. You can say hello, hi. Both are good. Hello is polite, hi is friendly. Now after hello, you say your name. You can say, my name is Emma. My name is James. Listen again. My name is Emma. My name is James. Very easy. You can also say, I am Emma. I am James. Both are correct. Choose one. Do not think too much. Now let's practice together. Say it with me in your mind. Hello, my name is... Say your name. Good job. Now after your name, you can say, nice to meet you. This sentence is very important. It is polite. People like it. So the full introduction is, hello, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Simple, clean, perfect. Now let's hear a small conversation. Emma, hello. James, hi. Emma, my name is Emma. James, my name is James. Emma, nice to meet you. James, nice to meet you too. Very good. You can use this today. Now, sometimes people ask you, how are you? This means, are you okay? Easy answers are, I am fine, thank you. I am good, thanks. You can also ask back, and you? Let's practice. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. Nice and easy. Now let's add this to your introduction. Hello, my name is Emma. How are you? Good. Now another common question is, where are you from? This means which country or city. You can answer like this. I am from USA. I am from Canada. I am from Turkey. I am from Brazil. You do not need long sentences. Let's practice. Where are you from? I am from, say your country. Great. Now a longer conversation. James, hello. Emma, hi. James, my name is James. Emma, my name is Emma. James, nice to meet you. Emma, nice to meet you too. James, where are you from? Emma, I am from USA. James, oh, nice. This is real English. People speak like this. Now let's stop for a short recap. You learned hello/hi, my name is, I am, nice to meet you, how are you, where are you from? These sentences are very powerful. With these, you can start any conversation. You are doing great. Yes, you. Now let's talk about introducing yourself online. For example, in Zoom, WhatsApp, or YouTube comments. You can say, hello everyone, my name is Emma. I am learning English. Nice to meet you all. Very simple, very friendly. Now, let's add one more sentence. You can say what you do. You can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. I work in a shop. Example, hello, my name is James. I am a student. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Now, I want you to practice. Pause the video in your mind. Say this about yourself. Hello, my name is, I am from, I am a, nice to meet you. Do not be shy. Practice makes you better. Remember one thing, Your English does not need to be perfect. Your English needs to be clear. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Even Emma makes mistakes. Even James makes mistakes. It is normal. Now let's do one final full conversation. Emma, hello. James, hi. Emma, my name is Emma. James, my name is James. Emma, nice to meet you. James, nice to meet you too. Emma, how are you? James, I am good, thank you. And you? Emma, I am fine. James, where are you from? Emma, I am from USA. James, oh, nice. This is beautiful English. Easy, natural. Now, let's summarize today's lesson. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself in English. You learned simple sentences. You learned real conversations. You learned English for daily life. You are improving step by step. Now, I have a question for you. Please write in the comments. Introduce yourself in English. Write 3 or 4 simple sentences. I will read your comment. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe to Easy English Zone for more simple English. Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. You can do it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.